Okay, it's Friday, February 14th, and let's go down in the basement and see what the Kapster's doing, see if he's even moving yet. He usually sleeps in. Hey Kapster, what are you doing? Not really doing anything right now. I was just watching some TV. You know, it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning and you're still in your PJs. So I like to be in my PJs for part of the day. Yeah, well, sometimes you gotta get before noon, get in like real pants and real clothes and stuff and actually do something. Yeah. So guess what I'm gonna do here? Probably starting this weekend. No, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna start teaching Mrs. Kapper to use the excavator this weekend, and I'm gonna teach her to use the skid steer. Seriously? Doesn't that sound pretty cool? You're gonna teach Mrs. Kapper how to use the skid steer and the excavator. You. What do you mean I'm not qualified? Like you are? Dude, you live in the basement. You're always getting machines stuck. Yeah, yes, you get all of your machines stuck in some of the easiest spots. I hardly ever get any machine stuck. Kidding me, man? Look at this. A new trench filling up there. But now I'm stuck pretty good. Now I'm stuck. All right, it's what I was afraid of. Ah yes, the joys of clay country. Well, you could see I'm buried pretty good on this side. And here we go again. Up good, a little mishap with the truss truck. Let's hope. All right, that didn't take long. I'm kind of stuck here on a tipping hazard. As one of the guys commented, if you ain't getting stuck, you ain't using your tractor hard. Okay, so I'm stuck right in here. All right, we're stuck here. I've watched, and you're always getting stuck. That's all there is to it. You always need to be rescued. All right, well, let's look at some proof. I guess I'll dig through some old videos. Watch some of your old videos. Why don't you clean up around here and get out of your PJs? And by the way, rent is due. Well, this ought to be good to see, you trying to teach someone else to use machines. Well, we'll see how it goes then. All right. I'm gonna finish watching TV for a while. Gosh, man, for living in the basement, he thinks he knows everything. Sheesh. All right, stay tuned guys, because Mrs. Kapper is starting her training this weekend in the mini excavator. And I guess who else is more qualified than me but to teach her the machines. So we are going to have lots of fun teaching Mrs. K this and the skid steer. And yes, I'll be very, very careful. So hopefully you're going to join us on yet another new adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button and we'll catch you on the next one.